I'm going to show you how to set up a blog listing and blog posts in HubSpot. So to get to the blog, so you go to marketing, website, and then you click blog. So you can see here we have blogs, and then we have blog listing, we have tags, we have comments, we have offers. So if you want to edit text, is there. If you want to see some comments and stuff like that here, and then offers, if you want to add offers. So yeah, so blog post, you click the blog post there to see the blogs, and then here we have all the blog listings. So if you have a lot of blog listing, you're gonna see them there. And then to, let's say for instance you want to view one. So yeah, the blog listing is gonna be there, just basically some items, the title, the descriptions. And then to edit, just click there, edit blog listing. Yeah, so you can edit the blog listing from here. So each blog listing have a module called blog listing and blog pagination. So blog listing, blog pagination. So they come like that. And then we have the post filter. We can see the filter there. And then you can like do the edits like you want. And then so when you come to the blog post, so the blog post is gonna look something like this. So it's just the internal page with content and then with a recent article. So a single post. So a single post is something like so here, if you want to change this featured image here, you click featured image is really gonna change the featured image here, and there where you can switch it on, because of you can switch it off and switch on again, but you must always follow what ratio they're asking you to have here, because of there's some social media and LinkedIn, Twitter that you're gonna need some of the correct measurements. So you need to make sure that your featured image, you must follow those rules there. So there we put your metadata, template, language, and the advanced settings. So now, okay, so let's go back to, so we're gonna click blogs here. Okay, so we have blogs. So if you have a lot of different kind of blogs, you're gonna see that here, they're showing you all the list of the blogs. So you can select what other blogs that you have. You can select like this, so that you can see, okay, I can only pull this blog, or you can pull two blogs. You can only put one or all of them. All right, so now if you go to the design, before you go to the design manager, we're gonna go to the settings. So the settings for the blog, you go to blog settings and scroll down. Yeah, so you're gonna see them somewhere, website, and then blog. So here where you have the settings, if you want to kind of like create a blog, you click here, you can see create new blog. You can import blog, you can create new blog there, and then you put the blog name, blog header, page title, meta descriptions. You set up the domain, you set up the path of your main blog, and then some of the structure of the schema to, you can also set up the stuff there, but this is the beta version. Okay, so we have the templates. So here is where you select your template. So there is a place where you select the blog listing post. This is where you select it. So you can select the blog listing here, blog posts, and then blog listing there, and then number of posts per listing page here, where you change the number of posts per listing page. Where you can, after that, we have show summary on listing page, use feature image in listing summaries, and other stuff. You can also select and unselect them here. Here, if you have some something you want to put in the header for your blog listing page, you can put them there. Blog header for the internal post template, you can put them there, footer, and so forth. And if you want to attach the some style, you can do so here if you want to. Okay, here we have subscriptions. Here we set up the subscriptions, the RSS feed, where you can put the RSS feed there. And then here where you can create your blog subscriber notification emails. You can create those different kind of emails here. So that's when someone subscribe to your email, to your blog, to a particular blog. So they're gonna be able to start to receive the notification instant, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on what the user is gonna choose. So here we have the format, the setup here. We have the comments. You can turn on comment, you can shoot off, you can allow comment to create contacts, moderate, all the stuff, or should receive notification, all those things that you can set up them here. And then we have social sharing, also the same thing. Social sharing, you can have that like set up there. And then we have Google AMP. So that's, as you can see, Google AMP Accelerate Mobile Pages allows your content to load instantly, which keeps your visitor on your page and reading more of your content. So that helps when you can put your logo, put the alt text, and then some few styling there. All right, so here we have view blog, add to multi-language group, export, delete blog, and stuff like that. So we can edit multi-languages if you have it, and then here we can see different kind of set up your blog. If you click like that, you can see let's see the stuff change. Click this one, yes, change this way that you do. Every time when you change like this, after that you're gonna come and then do your setup. So this is for the blog. So now if you want to go now to the templates, so now in the design manager, when it comes to blog templates, so HubSpot is now, they do provide most of the new themes gonna come with the blog index and blog posts. So let's say for instance we have growth themes here. Let's go to templates. So most of them, they're gonna come with blog indexed and then blog posts. So most of the new theme, they're gonna have this. You see preview. So here we don't want to see that much because there's no, but you're gonna just see related content and then blog internal post there. And then for the listing preview, you're gonna see the listing, something like that. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, so let's say for instance you don't have that module. You can find it, just you go to HubSpot folder, you go to growth or any default theme, and then you can see here blog index. Yeah, so let me show you that module. What is that module? So we go to modules. So this is the modules: blog listing, and then we have blog pagination. Let's check some of the modules here. So you're gonna just need these two: blog listing and blog pagination. So if you do not have it in your theme, you can just come to grab this module. So you just right click and then you can see clone to chart theme. You're gonna clone it to the chart theme, or you can click the blog pagination, the same thing, clone to chart theme. So once you clone it like that, it's gonna go to your chart theme. But in case if some of the theme that you're working on, they already have blog listing, so the way that you do it, let's say for instance we have this one here. So this theme here, let's say we have this theme, we check is this theme here is a blog listing already. Yeah, you can see they have it there. Yeah, so the only thing now you're gonna do is you can come and edit yeah, you can create your some of them, they're gonna come already. So the blog listing has already you can see that there is a CSS there, and also there is also the CSS already, the way you can go and update your CSS for that to take effect for the two templates. So you can see CSS template, blog CSS. You can see we have CSS blog, what is that, CSS templates, and then blog. is where you can change you can update your CSS there. You can, you can just edit at the bottom. Yeah. So, okay. So now, some of the stuff there. Yeah. So this is the way that I was saying that if you do not find in your what's in your theme, if there is no blog index or blog post, you're gonna just have to clone it from the main HubSpot folder. You choose one of the theme, you go to templates, and then after that you just do right click, clone to chart theme. So once you clone to the chart theme, now you're gonna be able to do whatever that you want. So yeah, and then after that you can play around, changing some few stuff, adding some of your items there. Again, okay. So now with the blog listing, so we're gonna go inside the blog, the module blog listing and blog pagination. Okay, so module blog listing, blog listing pagination is listing. Yeah. So as you can see here, Kevin tell you create chart theme. So now, okay, so we have this one. All right. So another thing that you're gonna just have to clarify is, in case, because of with all the folder under HubSpot main folder, all those themes. So in case if you do not have one of them, later for instance you only want to get blog listing and blog module. So the way that you do it is, in case if this does not have a chart theme, so you're gonna have to create a chart theme by just right click and clone. You can do like create chart theme. So the moment you create chart theme is when now you're gonna be able to kind of like move your blog listings. There's those two modules. Sometimes they cannot just be moved like that inside the HubSpot form. So it's gonna be like, let's say for instance we have this one. Gonna create chart theme. Gonna create chart theme 2. Oh yeah, sorry, this one we already have a chart theme for it already. Let's choose a different one. See this one here. Okay, let's test this one. Right click, create chart theme 1. Already have this one has been created already. Let me choose another one. Create chart theme. Okay, so yeah, because I already have some of the theme that I've been testing it. Create chart theme test. Let's see. Yeah, this one is the same thing. So what you're gonna do in this case, let's try clone theme. We clone it. Let's say copy 2. Is loading, so we are cloning. So the moment we finish to clone, so you can see there the one that we did clone. Graph copy. So you have it here. So now the moment you clone it, you're gonna be able now to extract the whatever that you want to extract from this theme here. So now later, for instance, you want to extract blog index and blog posts. So it's just for you to select it. It's like to copy, and then you just do move templates. So yeah, move template, you click there, and then you choose your theme. Let's say for instance you want to move it here, you come there and then template, and then you click move. It's gonna be moved here already. That those are the templates. So if we want to move the module, you click there, you look for that block listing there, and then you come move, and then you look for your whatever theme is that. You go to that folder, to the matching folder, and then you move. So this is the way that you do it, instead of for you to clone this index. That is just in case if your theme does not come with the block listing system already set up. So now inside the block listing, what do we have here? You click here. So inside of this, inside the block listing, you can see we have some queries, that abo code stuff, that we have abo code there. All the stuff they already kind of like set up and easy to use. So you don't have to focus too much about all this. The only thing that you're gonna have to do is do your styling. You're welcome to add your CSS as well there. Yeah, you can add your CSS there, or if in JavaScript you want to add in extra stuff, the way it's gonna do the modification. If you want to do modification inside the HTML, you can do them there. And then if you want to add some custom fields, you can also add them there, or custom styling on this blog listing, you can add them there as well. So when it comes to the blog posts, blog pagination, we have pagination there. This is also the setup for the blog pagination. So everything is there. And then those are the settings there. Rotas again. So we have blog listing, blog post. We have recent posts. You can also, if you want to, you can also do the same thing. You move the modules as well in your theme if you do not have it. So you can see them there here. The HTML and some of the CSS also set up here. So all the settings that are here, just in case if you want to edit something. So we have recent posts and related posts. Yeah, so where you do the setup. Okay, and then just you have to know that the moment you move the your index, what is it? Yeah, the moment you move this one here, let's say for instance, if you move this one to your theme, just bear in mind what's going to happen is that you're gonna need to if you move this one, now you're gonna have to move also the block module as well, because this is a template, but you're gonna also need the module. So you're gonna need all those elements that they are here in this template here. Yeah, because once you move this one here, it's gonna move. Once you move the template, it's gonna move all the dependents. So you have to move like each and every element. So the dependents, we have the block, the modules, pagination. You can also move those items here, and some of the modules. So if you want to move them and so forth. So the moment you set it up like that, you move your template. After that, it's just to change the labels and other stuff. Okay. Great stuff. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click thumbs up, and then if you want more of the tutorials, just subscribe. Thank you so much.